Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence, where machines don't just follow commands, they think, analyze, and reason, just like humans. Today we are diving deep into a game-changing breakthrough, shaking up AI, the rise of artificial reason. Last several years, we have been hearing the term AI, artificial intelligence. AI was mostly about pattern recognition and rigid rule following. If this happens, then do that. But real-world problems, they are messy, complex, and ambiguous. So enter artificial reason, the new frontier of AI that goes beyond just crunching data. This isn't about computers blindly spitting out answers. It's about machines that understand context and explain their decisions and even innovate like human mind tackling a puzzle. So what exactly is reasoning AI? It is about teaching machines to follow these types of reasoning. First is deductive reasoning. That is drawing conclusions from broad principles. Next is inductive reasoning. Spot hidden patterns from specific info. Next is abductive reasoning. Identify the best explanation for observations. Probabilistic reasoning. Make smart decisions under uncertainty. Next is common sense. Use everyday common sense to navigate the world. And next is drawing analogies. That is drawing new challenges from analogies from past experiences. So why does this matter? Because the future demands AI that can handle nuance, uncertainty, and make trustworthy decisions. Whether it's a doctor explaining your treatment, a virtual assistant solving a tech issues step by step, or a robot adapting in real time, this shift to artificial reasoning isn't just a technical upgrade, it is a revolution. It is about moving from programmed tools to thinking partners, capable of reasoning, interpreting, and yes, even creating. If you're excited about how AI is evolving to think like us, smash that like button, share this video to spread the word, and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Let's get the conversation started. Because future of AI isn't just artificial intelligence. It is reasoning. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.